Let's try the back door, because I don't know what's going on in the front. Because that front door don't work. I ain't cut the grass over here since never worry. Is that mushrooms growing on the door? What the hell is that? What the hell? Well, at least the key worked on the back door, because it didn't work on the front. But don't work there. Let's see if we got the bottom to turn. Let's see if that works on the top. Hey, we got some access. Oh, all right. So that's the top. And that's the bottom. Hello? Anybody home? Damn, they done bust the glass out in this mud. Hello? Knock, knock. Anybody home? Hope not. Okay. I don't know why that front door don't work. They must have rekeyed it or something, because I had to come all the way to the back to get in. What's this crack up here? What that mean if you see a crack like that? Or is that just the paint? No, that's real cracking. Same as down here. Hello? Guess nobody's here. Good. Just want to make sure nobody here. If you are, let me know. Let me know so we can go slow. See, this house got some cracking. I don't know what this cracking is about over here. That's kind of weird. I'm not a crack specialist. Make crack like this. Ghetto dope. Need another paint job in here, I know that. Get your painting. So this the dining room, the living room, the front door. Can I open this door from the front? Barely. Okay, that's fine. And I guess that's stuff somebody want to take on with them. Because I thought it was something else in here, like a sectional or something. So that's, I guess, the master room. And one of these rooms, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, a kitchen. We got a link before PCS. Where you going, Wayne? Where you going, to another duty station? Hello? Why they busted down glass out back here? There was no reason for that. No reason. Love to make work for people. And I guess this is a third and extra add-on bedroom. It's pretty big back here, extra bonus room. I don't know about this basement. Kind of dark down there. Hello? We got no electricity either. Hello? Hope not. Can't see nothing down here. Pitch black. It's a nice basement. It's a half on this side and a parking garage on the other side. That's all I can see. For now. I gotta go get my flashlight to get down there. Because I don't want to run into nobody that sleep on them. Say, wake up. But let's see, kitchen, sink, kitchen floor. Constant not too bad a shape. It could always be worse. No garbage disposal, no dishwasher. It's a little small baby kitchen. How many thermostats you need? Oh, that's enough carbon monoxide. Guess I'll close all that back up. And what's that key go to? I got a key down here. What'd that go to? To the door? Let's try it. That might be the key to the front door. Nope. And nope. Oh yeah, that do work on. No, I don't work on the bottom. So I'm gonna put that key right back like I never seen it. And lock this front back up. Go right back out the way I came. What do you think about this house? You say don't do it. Don't do it. Why not? Well, don't go down there. But who the hell bust this glass out? That don't make no damn sense there. Gotta replace a window now. God dog it. I would have had a free window. Somebody been in here drinking some Bacardi and Barty and Awari. Or whatever they call it. Oh well. I guess I've seen enough of this joint. It needs work. Ooh, that's a big spider. Ooh, wee, look how big it is. Good night. I don't even know. I gotta knock him down. He's so big, I can't even go by and lock the door. Let's see. Let's use this. I hope that got him down. That was a big boy. Yeah, that's a big spider. Look how big he is. Hold on. You think I'm playing? Look how big that damn spider is. He big as the door. That's a big boy. We're gonna lock all this back up. Nice and secure. Need the backyard cut, the front yard cut. Needs a cut. At least the air conditioner's still alive. They got a thing over it so they don't steal that. So that makes sense. I'm gonna close this door up here too. They've been out here hanging out, drinking beer, 40s. This is what the neighborhood look like. Got a dumpster 2 houses over, so somebody's doing some work. Let's secure these keys right back into here. All secure again, like nothing happened. But this is what the neighborhood look like. I guess I can't even keep the door closed. It don't want to stay closed. It's closed door. Well, I guess it's gonna stay open. I think this house next door is vacant too. Why they got this little car here, I don't know. So I don't know. How do you grade this one? On a scale of 1 to 10. 1, it's a no-go. 10, you can win. What do you think, friends? Oh man, and I'm gonna let you see the front of this house again too, because I don't know if you saw it. Hold on, because I was getting bad reception. That's what it looked like, and that's the block. They'd be racing down this street, fixing on that house right there with some boarded up windows. But there it is, looking rough as usual. How rough is too tough? Ugh. Getting hot out here, man. I thought summertime was over. Hot girl summer. It's hot boy, man, woman, and child summer out in this little